In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make multiple characters speak on Grok. If you've ever wanted Grok to produce a lively back and forth between distinct voices, perfect for scenes, podcasts, or training scenarios, this walkthrough will get you there with clarity and control. First, open your browser and head to Grok's website. Give the page a second to load so all the tools appear correctly. A quick note, using an up-to-date browser and a stable connection helps prevent hiccups, especially when you're working with longer prompts or outputs. Once you're in, look for the Imagine section and click it. Imagine is Grok's creative workspace where your prompt sets the rules of the conversation. You'll see a prompt box front and center. That's where you'll define who speaks, how they sound, and how the dialogue should be formatted. Think of it as your director's chair. You're telling Grok exactly how to stage the exchange. Now type your prompt in the box. To make multiple characters speak distinctly, be explicit. List the character names and a short voice note for each, set the scene or goal of the conversation, and specify the format you want, such as character as line. You can also set the number of turns, the tone, and any boundaries you care about, like keeping it concise or avoiding narration outside of brackets. If you like stage directions, ask for brief actions in brackets, but make it clear that the main output should be dialogue. The more precise you are, the more consistent the voices will be across the exchange. Before you proceed, make sure your account has the upgraded plan enabled if your project calls for longer outputs or advanced features. Some multi-character scenes benefit from extended responses, and access to higher limits helps keep the conversation flowing without unnecessary truncation. If you notice responses cutting off, that's a good sign to confirm your plan status and tighten your prompt length. If the first result blends voices or strays from your format, refine your prompt. Reiterate the character list, repeat the line structure, and remind Grok to keep each voice consistent. Small clarifications, like restating the desired number of turns or asking to clearly label the speaker on every line, often fix formatting drift. That's it. Go to Grok, open Imagine, and craft a precise prompt that defines characters, format, and tone. With a clear setup and the right plan, you'll have crisp, multi-voice dialogue in no time.